You've been through a lot of things in your life na ikaw lang ang may alam, that people don't know about. You've experienced pain, you've experienced suffering, you've experienced things that shook you, that changed you, that broke you, that built you, and taught you how to be stronger. Stronger than you ever thought you had the ability to be. You are who you are for all of it. So next time, someone judges you based on a small part of your life or based kung ano lang ang nakita nila or kung paano ininterpret ang isang situation, remember, you are who you are. Remember how much you've overcome and smile and kept walking. Despite of all the struggles, despite of all the challenges, despite of all the pain. And you do not have to prove anything to anyone. You've already proved so much to yourself, who muddled through the storms that people didn't see because of how well you carried yourself. Marunong kang magdala eh. Hindi halatang may problema ka.